Imagine a world that appreciates nature, God's perfect creation for human needs. Imagine the life it gives behind its purposes. On the other side of this, for us, there are a lot of pressure to things that we really enjoy today. If we cannot make a change for better human being, when it comes to caring our environment today, how about the future of the next generation? Annually, the world has been suffering numerous disasters. In fact, natural disasters can cause destruction of property, loss of financial resources, and personal injury or illness. We can be more responsible human if we ourselves have respect for nature. By showing care to environment and making it as a habit, can cause significant change. The time is now. We must act now. Be united.